One of the number one challenges, stumbling blocks to having more success with marketing campaigns that connect, that I see from people in small to mid-sized businesses, that they think it's going to take a lot more time and money to have an effective strategy than it actually will. And it's understandable because we are so overwhelmed with the day-to-day of running our businesses, and more we're being asked to do more with less. And when it comes to marketing, to think about how are we going to distribute our message and then shape our message and come up with something original, that we think it's going to take a lot more time and money than it actually will to just have even a basic, effective, well thought out strategy. And that's why we talk about strategic social media marketing and content creation, not to just create and, say it and spray it. But what's the strategy? What's the story and the feeling and the emotional connection that we're trying to shape and share with each of our messages? A little bit of strategy goes a long, long way and will take a lot less time or money than most people think.